What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I have another OnlyFans video. We're gonna be doing OnlyFans tips. This is part 1 of 2. I'm gonna be doing one where I tell you 5 tips before you start OnlyFans, and then we're gonna do 5 tips like after you get the ball rolling on OnlyFans. I just got done shooting for OnlyFans, so I'm in my lingerie. We're in the mood, so we're just gonna get right into it. As always, my OnlyFans videos, I'm going $3 super sale. So go call my OnlyFans while you can for $3 for the next week. Ladies, it's a good chance to subscribe for the low so you can see what I post on my OnlyFans and get ideas for yours. Fellas, go subscribe to my OnlyFans too. You won't regret it. Okay. Also, ladies, feel free to promote yourself in the comments. As always, you drop your OnlyFans links. Also, ladies, if you have not signed up for OnlyFans yet, use my referral code to sign up and I'll do free weekly promo for you. I'll put my link tree in the description and also in the pinned comment, and you can find my referral code. It's the second link. Once you click on my link tree, my OnlyFans is the first link. So I'll find my OnlyFans and my referral code on my link tree. Yeah, I think we covered everything, so let's get into the tips. And these are 5 tips you want to follow before you start an OnlyFans. So the first thing you want to do, your bio. First thing before you do anything besides your like profile pic and shit, your bio. You want to get a really good bio. Okay? It's just important to include, and this might sound repetitive because I put this in like all my other videos, but it's just really important to include what you offer on your OnlyFans so guys know what they're paying for. And also it's important just to put that all the pictures and videos is copyrighted to yourself. That way no guys are not supposed to take the you know, screenshot your pictures and videos and post them anywhere else. Just like I say all the time, an extra layer of protection. Of course they can still do it if they want to, but sue their ass, period. It's in your bio. You're not supposed to be putting my shit anywhere else. It's yours. Put that as yours in your bio, and if someone else uses it somewhere else or posts it somewhere else, sue their ass. It's in your bio that they can't do that. That's super important. Really, I always put my use my bio as an example. Like, y'all can literally copy word for word what's in my bio if y'all want to. I see this girl's, hers was really good. Like, oh my god, I forget what her OnlyFans was though, but like hers was like, it seemed like she got a lawyer to type her shit up, bitch. Like, she was not playing. But make something up, you know, as long as it says that you can't use this content anywhere else, that should be good. Copy mine word for word, I do not care. Or find someone else's and copy theirs. I don't think no one would be that stressed if you copy their shit word for word. Okay, so second, once you know, post your bio, you want to create a welcome message. It's good to create a welcome message so like your subscribers know you're available to talk to them. And also you can add a lock message there, which I'll talk about in another video of mine. I'll put my OnlyFans playlist in the ad or in the description somewhere. Putting a lock message is a good idea because it's an extra way to make money, and it's like a little sneak preview of what they can expect like from your OnlyFans, like the kind of content you're going to be posting. Just, you know, with a little sneak preview so they can pay to unlock the message. And you can be like really descriptive in the text to what the welcome message is, and if they, you know, if they're feeling what the text say, they'll be like, oh, I want to unlock this, I want to pay to unlock this to see what this is, you know. So be real descriptive when you're describing a video and make it something like really appealing, and that'll show them, you know, this is a little taste of what's going to be on my OnlyFans. Okay, and it'll make them want to stay. Third thing, learn the website. Learn the website. There is so many features on OnlyFans, some that I don't even use because I don't know how to. I've made mistakes when I first started because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Definitely learn the website before you get any subscribers. Like, practice posting stuff, practice scheduling content, practice. Like, go over the website, go over all the features and learn what you're doing. There's welcome messages, schedule messaging, you can go live, you can pin post, lock messages. There's so many features on OnlyFans that you can utilize, like, to make money. It's just really important to learn the website. I remember when I had first started, I accidentally sent what I thought I was making a lock message. I sent it for free and I lost so much money. So learn a website so you know what the fuck you're doing before you do it. Like, that's so important. That's so important. You don't want to lose all money like I did. Fourth tip, post before you promote. No one's gonna subscribe to your OnlyFans if they see you have like one picture on there. They're gonna be like, why the fuck am I gonna pay $20 for this OnlyFans and she has one picture? No. So your fans want to see if there's content already on there for them to enjoy. They don't want to like count on you like, oh, I'm going to be posting every day. You know, there's this one picture right now, but I'm going to post every day. They don't want to count on that. They want to see if there's already shit on there for them to enjoy. I say personally, start off with 10 to 20 things. I know that sounds like a lot. Minimum 5, but if you really want to draw a crowd in, 10 to 20, so they see that you're already putting work in on your OnlyFans, you feel me? So they'll be more inclined to subscribe because there's shit on there already for them to, you know, enjoy, like I said. So yeah, post before you promote. Put pictures and videos on there before you promote, even if it's like little like corny shit, like stuff that's not like XX content. If that's what you're doing on your OnlyFans, you know, you can use OnlyFans for anything, but I'm assuming you're doing that. But yeah, you don't have, just put like broad underwear pics, just something on there for them to look at. You don't want to start with nothing. You just don't want to start with nothing at all. And fifth, and probably the biggest one, only post what you're comfortable with. So before you even like decide what you're gonna make your OnlyFans for, mine is predominantly lingerie. Just set in your head like, this is what I'm gonna post on my OnlyFans. These are my limits and I'm not gonna go past them. Like, don't let anyone pressure you into sending shit. When I post shit, I think in the back of my head, well, I'll be embarrassed if this got out. And you know, most of the time I will, but if you think like that and you think, oh, if this got out, I'm gonna be ready to RIP, don't post it. You shouldn't be posting it if you really think that if that gets out, it's gonna be the end of the world. Like, of course I'm gonna be mad if something gets out, but like, will it be the end of the world? Will I be ready to RIP? I'm not gonna post it if I'm gonna be ready to RIP if that shit got out and, you know, my family seen it, or some people I want to, co-workers, whatever, seen it. I ain't gonna post that shit. I'm only gonna post that shit where like, yeah, I'm gonna be embarrassed, but it ain't gonna be the end of the world. You feel me? Only post what you're comfortable with. Make strict limitations. Don't let nobody push you over those limitations. I had niggas offer me hundreds of dollars to send them shit and I'm like, no, that's not what this is. This, you know, it is what it is. If you don't like it, then unsubscribe to my OnlyFans. Like, I'm not sending shit I'm not comfortable with sending. Like, cause yeah, don't be strict. Cuss these men out because they will pressure you. You know, stand firm before you start. Make a firm, you know, mental note. This is what I'm posting and these are the limits I'm not passing, period. Okay, so that's it for this video. The second part of this video will be out soon with 5 like overall tips for OnlyFans. But before you start your OnlyFans, watch this video. Well, I hope you watched it before you started, so you know what you're doing. Even if you just like started, these are still relevant. If you're not like, if you're on the fence about starting OnlyFans, I'm not gonna tell anybody to make OnlyFans, but I've had success on there. If you know, I don't know, I think it's good. I would never tell anybody to do it because I know it's not for everybody, but just watch my videos, watch my other videos, make your decision. Okay. Yeah, and also if you haven't made your OnlyFans yet, again, use my referral link. It's the second link on my link tree, and subscribe to my OnlyFans. It's the first link on my link tree, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.